back to our channel Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mock up color in Canva. It's quite simple. All you have to do is follow along. So I have selected this random template from the home page. Since it's festive season, I've selected holiday potluck thing. So let's say I want to change the color or like mock up the color. Simply tap into the image and okay. Above the background color, let's simply go to here. You can simply choose pick color. So let's say I'm going to change it more into this orange over here. Simply tap in there and see how the theme had changed into a color, different colors. Let's say I'm going to change it into more of like different color, like yeah, this one will do. Yeah, so this is how you mock up color in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.